Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request a Dasher Red Card on the Dasher app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and request a new Dasher Red Card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the sandwich icon on the top left-hand corner. Then click on Preferences. Then scroll down, and you're going to see Activate Red Card. Click on that. Next, click on Request a Physical Card. And then simply follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and request a Dasher Red Card. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.